What if I told you that your bank account is not controlled by your skills, your job, or even your opportunities, but by your subconscious mind? Hello there and welcome to the Law of Attraction World channel, the channel that you need if you want to manifest all your desires into reality. Right now, you could be running mental patterns that are blocking wealth no matter how hard you work. And that's without you even knowing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reprogram your subconscious mind to attract money, opportunities, and financial freedom step by step. Most people try to get rich by changing what they do in the outside, but wealthy people understand something deeper. You don't get rich by changing your actions first. You get rich by changing your identity and your subconscious beliefs. Because as you already know, your subconscious mind controls 95% of your actions and the amount of money that you think you deserve, and also your risk tolerance, and of course your habits. So if deep down you believe that money is hard to get, or that rich people are greedy, or that I'm not good with money, then no matter what you do, you'll still be stuck. Why are you not rich yet? Let's be real. If being rich is only about hard work, then people that are working 12 hours would all be rich. But it's not the case. Because your subconscious mind is like a thermostat, If you're set to struggle, then you'll always go there. But if you're set to wealth, then you'll always find ways to grow. That's why people that are set to struggle, if they win money, they lose it. If they start strong, they quit at a certain point. They get opportunities, but they find ways to sabotage them. And it's not bad luck, it's subconscious programming. So here is what you must do. Step number 1, identify your money beliefs. Before reprogramming your subconscious mind, you should first expose the beliefs that are in there. Start by asking yourself these honest questions. What did I hear about money growing up? Do I feel guilty wanting more money? Do I believe that I actually can get rich? Because awareness is powerful. You can't change a belief that you are not aware of. Step number 2, repetition. Your subconscious mind learns through repetition and emotions, not through logic. That means reading one motivational quote will not change your life, but repeating a belief over and over every day, that will make a big change in your life. Start using affirmations like money comes to me easily and consistently, or I am becoming the kind of person who attracts money and wealth, or opportunities are everywhere and I see them. But there is one thing that a lot of people miss when it comes to affirmations. It's the feeling, the emotions. The subconscious mind learns through emotions. So do not just say the affirmations, feel them with every cell in your being. Step number 3, visualization or mental rehearsal. Close your eyes and imagine your bank account growing, paying for bills without any stress, or simply living your ideal life. But don't just see it, experience it, feel the confidence, feel the relief, feel the freedom of being able to do whatever you want and to buy whatever you want. Your brain doesn't fully distinguish between imagined and real experiences, so you are kind of tricking it. So when you visualize consistently, you train your mind that this is a normal life for me. You train your mind to believe that this is normal. Step number 4, environment and everything around you. Your subconscious mind is in constant programming, either you realize it or not, and it is getting programmed by social media, friends, news, conversations, basically everything you surround yourself with. So if you're surrounded by scarcity, complaints, fears about money, that becomes your reality. So simply upgrade your environment. Follow people who talk about growth. Listen to wealth-focused content. Limit negativity. There are a lot of things going on in the world now and you want to be informed, but try to do that as less as possible. Do not dwell into it. Do not dive into all the negative news that you see every day, because what you consume becomes your beliefs. Step number 5, take aligned actions. This is when a lot of people get it wrong. Subconscious mind is very powerful, but it's not magic. You still need to act. But here's the difference. Instead of acting out of fear or desperation of doubt, you act from confidence, expectation, and belief. And that changes everything. Because when your mindset shifts, you see opportunities faster. You take smarter risks. You stay consistent longer. Here is the truth that most people won't tell you. You do not become rich by accident. You become rich by turning into the person who can handle wealth. And that starts in your subconscious mind. So, starting today, watch and monitor your thoughts, reprogram your beliefs, and act like the future version of yourself. The next version that would be rich, of course. Because your external reality is just a reflection of your inner programming. If you made it this far, leave a comment below saying, I am reprogramming my mind for wealth. Also, if you want a subconscious reprogramming routine that you can follow daily, click on the video on your screen. Your future self will thank you for it. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.